welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a YouTube video, like years, so I thought it would be a good idea to come on and to post a little reintroduction video where I could kind of talk about my plans for my channel and my ideas. I want my channel to act as a place where you can come and find lookbooks for specific palettes. So for example, for my well-loved Naked palette, I would share a variety of looks utilizing just this palette. With some of the more colourful palettes, maybe I would have to use that palette in conjunction with like a basic neutral palette. So I know that a lot of YouTubers will kind of pull from different palettes for their looks, and I do some of that too, but I thought it'd be more useful if the looks I shared kind of focused on one palette at a time, because while it's fun to see those looks and all the different colours and products come together, I think if you're trying to recreate looks, it's more useful for them to just come from one palette. So my plan is to make things as simple as I can. I'll always kind of tell you what kind of neutral I'm looking, so whether it's like a warm toned light brown, or you know, a cool toned medium brown, or a grey, or you know, so you don't have to have the exact neutral palette I'm using. You can just have some of your own, and I can share in the link. I'll share some really good neutral palettes that you can that are really good to have. I have a bunch of the Naked palettes, so I like to use those for my neutrals. I think if you got the like the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette, that would be a really good option, and I know that that one is currently on sale, so I will link to that. This is something I've wanted to do for like my friends and family. When I've gifted them a palette, I've been like, oh, I should put together like a little book for you of things to do, because sometimes they just aren't sure what to do with it. So it's always been something I've wanted to do, and I thought maybe other people would find this interesting too. So I figured I'd just film them, and then, you know, whether it's just my friends and family using it or other people, that's great. I also planned on doing some videos that compare different types of cosmetics. So like I want to compare a drugstore palette to a high-end palette and really compare the color payoffs and fallout and stuff like that. And I'm also going to just share some different beauty tips that I've picked up. So yeah, that's about all I have to say about this, and I'm super excited to get started. I think I'm going to focus first on the Naked palette, even though it is being discontinued. I think a lot of us own it, and if not, you can still get it from like Sephora and Macy's online for $27. That's a really good one to get if you don't have that already. I think I might also do the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, because I just got that and I love it. But I'm pretty tempted to pick up the Urban Decay Cheery. Oh my goodness, this is all Urban Decay. I promise I'll do some other ones, but Urban Decay is my favorite. So also the Urban Decay Naked Cherry just came out, and I'm really tempted to get that one and do some looks for that. So anyway, like, leave me some comments if there are specific palettes you want to see, and I'll do my best to provide that. I'm going to do some drugstore palettes as well as the higher end palettes. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe so you can see future ones, and thanks. Bye!